Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About secant of 2x multiplied by secant of 2x and tan 2x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have the u equals to 2dx because this one you got about number 1. This one you got about number 1. So we have like this. Because we don't have number 2 next to the x, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The x we change by this one. Next, the integration of secant of u square, we have tan u. The integration of this one, we have secant of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.